In my homeland, I first opened my eyes to life. My childhood grew among mud brick walls. The shadow of the mountains would fall over our house. My mother's voice would spread through the courtyard. Morning would brighten with the smell of bread. The traces of our feet would remain in the earth. One day exile fell into the middle of my youth. My dreams in exile. My longings in exile. A suitcase waits at the threshold, old locks close in my face. The station light trembles in the night. My footsteps vanish into the cold. In a rented room, a pale lamp. The sorrow of night leans against the wall. On the window, where silent mist gathers, my traces fade into the distance. Come and see how scattered I have become. My sweet sleep has turned into nightmare. My tired eyes keep waiting for morning, yet they find only darkness. In exile I loved. In exile I was torn away. My innocent feelings grew heavy. In my homeland I ache for a single sip of love. My heart is trapped in a bitter story. What was my crime? Tell me, friends. If one day I return, the door will not open for me. At the doorway, fear waits like a bullet. My heart is broken, and morning stays far from me. For the warm food of my homeland, my hand reaches out, yet the table stays far away. For the smell of bread from my mother's tandoor, my tongue, my mouth, my childhood remain hungry. Night falls, and the smoke of the tandoor rises in my dreams. My hands return empty. My heart remains with longing for you. My name, my body, my shadow fade into nothingness. My voice, my songs, my words remain in exile.